Welcome guys, so today I am with OPPO F21 Pro 5G and I'm going to show you 5 camera tips. So the first one will be probably the most useful. It's about the photo quality. So let me make a small comparison. Let's take a photo like that, and right now when you click right here and enable the 64 megapixel mode, take a look how great this mode works. So this photo was taken without this mode and it looks like that. For example, we can focus on this old phone keyboard. We can also take a look, for example, right here. And right now, just take a look how many details we can find right here and how close we can zoom in. As you can see, there's a big difference between these two photos. We can also try to focus on this coin right here. Take a look. And right now let's go back for the normal one. As you can see, we cannot zoom in that close. So if you want to crop from the photos, this additional 64 megapixel mode will be definitely useful for you. Another tip will be about zoom feature. So as you can see, we got 1x, 2x and 5x. But when you click and hold on already selected zoom feature, you will enable this slider. And as you can see, we can zoom into the 6 times. We can also go between this 2 and 5x. Like for example, we can zoom to the 4 times or 3 times. And with the slider, we can zoom in and zoom out very smoothly. When you click on the screen, just like that, and this icon shows, you can simply increase and decrease brightness level. So you don't have to actually use Pro mode to change the brightness of your photo. As you can see, that's how it works. To make it automatically, just tap on the screen once. And it also works in the video mode, as you can see, and in the portrait mode, we can control the brightness right here. Very simple, but very useful. Right here we can find the volume buttons and you can press volume up or volume down and you will take photo. When you click and hold volume up, you will take series of the photos, the same for the volume down. Okay, right now when you go right here, you will enable filters. They will change color on the photos. Just take a look how it changed. If you want to take photo, for example, with this black and white, just select, click on the shutter, and there it is. As you can see, photo was taken. Okay, and I think that right now we are going for the last tip, and it will be right here in the settings. So click here, go for the settings, and as you can see in this place, we can power off this shutter sound. So right now when you take photo, we cannot hear this sound anymore. Okay, so that's all for the OPPO F21 Pro 5G. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.